Question number 4, we will be solving the basic sample problem of moment of a force. So determine the moment of the force about point O. So first, we will use the formula moment
of force
since
O.
one man moment of O is equals to summation of
Force times distance.
Then, since naman the direction na counterclockwise, so moto, we will assume our direction as counterclockwise, which is positive. Then, MO is equals to 7, which is the force, 7 Newton, times 4 minus this one, 1, which is differential. Then, since this is 3, MO equals to 7 times 3 is 21 kilo Newton meter. And that is the answer.
My question is, why you didn't use the 2 backmaster?
So instead of we multiply na to siya as kanin, which is 1/4 ay mauna na siya mauna siya ang nag-act sa forces which is perpendicular siya sa atong forces which is ang 7. So, muna atong gamit.
So ang 2, negative lang siya, wala siya doon.
So, wala
Make lang siya.
Yes. So, we minus lang nato na siya, which is 3 lang ang mabili, which is 1 na